Can you install a decked drawer system in your truck bed with a drop-in bed liner? Short answer is no, but the long answer is yes. The biggest question I had when I was looking at the decked drawer system was, could I use it with my existing drop-in bed liner, or would I have to take it out? The short answer, and the answer that comes from Decked, is no. You cannot use it with a drop-in bed liner because the drop-in bed liners are not contour molded to the truck bed like the toolbox is. So there's gaps between the drop-in liner and the truck bed wall, and so those gaps take up space that the toolbox needs to fit. So the short answer is no, you cannot use a decked drawer system with a drop-in bed liner. It won't fit. You won't be able to put it together. However, if you're like me and the option was use the drop-in bed liner or toss it in the trash, then there is something you can do to get it to work with the drop-in bed liner. So what I did is I marked along the drop-in bed liner the height at which the toolbox was going to sit. And then I went and got a scoring tool, a utility blade, a jigsaw, Dremel, whatever you want to use as a cutting implement, and I cut the drop-in bed liner the entire way around where that toolbox lip was going to sit. And then when I installed the toolbox, the lip went through that cut. I still had the protection of the liner on the bottom, and then anything up here above the decked platform that hits the sidewalls is protected because the rest of the drop-in bed liner is still there. And so because I knew I was going to use the toolbox, I either was going to throw the drop-in bed liner away or try this. I decided to try it. Essentially, it ruins the drop-in bed liner. So make sure you think about that before you go ahead and do it. But if you want to use a drop-in bed liner with the deck system, this is the way you can do it. If you're into DIY, come check out our free group, DIYers, Tinkers, Fixers, and Makers. I'll put a link in the description box below for that. So that's what I did. Just thought I'd give you a little perspective on a way that you can use the deck system with the drop-in bed liner. It's not perfect, and it definitely destroys the bed liner. But if you are looking for that solution, it's working well for me. I appreciate your time. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found some value in it. Until next time, I'm Joshua. You've been watching Gander Flight. Take care.